Hey everyone, welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design, where we bring your engineering ideas to life with stunning 3D models in SolidWorks. Today, we're diving into something cool, the pneumatic double clamp cylinder. If you're into automation, fixturing, or just love clever mechanical solutions, this one's for you. First off, let's talk about why double clamping is beneficial. Imagine clamping a single workpiece securely from both sides for ultimate stability. Or use it to hold two separate parts at once, doubling your productivity in one go. It's versatile, saves space on your setup, and delivers consistent force without the hassle of multiple single clamps. Now let's figure out how we assembled this clamp. Starting with the basics, the pneumatic cylinder is mounted directly to your fixture base, simple and sturdy. From there, we bolt on a bracket with two precision holes right to the cylinder rod. This bracket acts as the backbone for everything else. Next up, we slide in two identical arms onto those holes and secure them tight with pins and lock washers. These arms are pivot smoothly to give you that dual action clamp. Notice those holes right in the middle of each handle? We attach 4 levers, 2 per side, right into those spots. These levers ensure proper movement and convert air pressure into gripping force. Almost there. The final touch, customizable clamp heads. These need to be adjustable for dialing in just the right clamping force, depending on your material or job. In this build, I've gone with a spring-loaded setup for that extra compliance and forgiveness. But hey, this is just my take. Feel free to tweak and redesign the heads to match your specific needs. This design is just one concept. You can modify or enhance it to match your specific requirements. If this sparked some ideas or got your gears turning, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Tell me how you'd use this double clamp in your shop. See you in the next video.